Kudos if you know where that's from. I feel like most people do. Anyway, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer and you're just joining me for the first time, what the frick is up? Pause this video right now, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're gonna like it, which you probably will, so I'm anticipating that you'll like it, so like it ahead of time. And if you haven't had enough of this scrumdiddlyumptious, beautiful, gushy face, then you can also check me out on my other socials on Instagram and on TikTok at Remy Mattison. So today, I'm bringing this video to you. It's a little bit sad. No, I'm just fucking kidding. Obviously, it's another shuffle tutorial because that's all we do on my channel anymore. All we do is learn how to shuffle. This quarantine, I've definitely been upping my shuffle game, and I want you guys to up yours too, because if I'm bringing it, you gotta bring it too. Raves are going to start eventually, so we need to get our game going before the game even begins. You know what I'm saying, players? So today I'm going to teach you how to do a running man variation. I've done a running man tutorial, I've done rocking tutorials, I've done a bunch of other tutorials. So before you watch this one, or after you watch this one, you can go check out my playlist. It's called Shuffle Tutorials, and you can catch up on all the different moves and put together a routine for yourself. Definitely be sure to check that out at the end or right now if you want. I mean, please don't leave this video. I need you, please, please, please. So if you're down, I'm down. Warm up, get ready, let's go. Get up on your feet, put your phone somewhere, follow along with me, and let's get into today's shuffle video. You thought I was done? No. I saw you. I see you through that camera. And I saw you didn't hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna wait for you to do it. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna wait. 5, 4, 3. Don't make me get to 1.
What's up, my party people? Are we ready to shuffle today? As you know, at the beginning of my shuffle tutorials, I like to show the move and then I'll break it down. So this is the running man, but with a little bit of spice. What is the running man, you ask? Oh, you're not familiar? Well, you should definitely check out my running man tutorial. But if you just want to stay on this one, what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet pulled together. You're going to lift one leg up in a pike position, piking your knee bent. Then what you're going to do is you're going to jump both your feet apart, landing softly in your toes or your heels, wherever you feel comfortable. Then you're going to switch legs, bringing the other leg up, piking that one up, bringing your feet back to the center, making sure your body is centered. Then same thing, other leg, pushing both feet out in opposite directions. Boom! And in case you need to see it one more time, this is it from the front. Piking one leg up, bending your knee to form a triangle, then popping both your feet out. Then same thing, other leg, bring it up into a triangle formation, into the center, and then pump it out. So now we're going to add the bit of spice. So instead of the regular running man where you stay on a straight line, what you're going to do is a leg that's up is going to actually cross over the back leg. So it's going to come across, so you're kind of going on a diagonal, similar to the Polly Pocket in that fashion, but you're still keeping your legs facing forward. So in our running man, what we're going to do is we're going to bring our leg across the other leg when we're coming down. So it's the same thing, except it's not on a straight vertical plane. Let's see it from the side. So you're going to cross your foot over a bit. So you're making almost an upside down V formation. So you might be asking yourself, Remy, isn't this the Polly Pocket? Well, hell to the no. The Polly Pocket is where you're actually twisting your body and your legs are going in an X formation. So you're going on a diagonal line. Whereas this variation, you're still facing forward. Your body's never twisting. You're just crossing your legs over. So let's go back to our variation. So as you're bringing your front leg down and across, the back leg is pushing out to the same side. So if you can imagine an upside down V where the point of the V is where the top of the movement is, the top of your toes. So see how you're crossing your feet over? And I'm sorry for the quality change. You're about to see that royally fucked the quality, but my camera died, so I had to change to my phone. So yeah, let's start with our running man. Then again, you can see the difference between the regular running man where you stay in one place and this variation where you're off on the side. Okay, once you got the hang of the move, let's try and pick it up a bit. So start doing your running man variation. You're going to cross your front leg over, and as you are, you're pushing your back leg out to the exact same side. So you're going off in a V formation. So imagine 3 points on the ground. You start at point A and you go to either point B or C. As you can see here, you're pushing your back leg back on a diagonal, so that's creating the V pattern as you're bringing your front leg over and across. And that's it, you have the move. Congratulations. Make sure to keep practicing to get it down packed.
And that is all for today's shuffle tutorial video. Like I said earlier, if you guys want more shuffle tutorials, check out my playlist that I have shuffle tutorials. I also have a bunch of other playlists to get you pumped up for the rest of the summer, to get you litty, to get your gains up. So you can check out my workout playlist, my clothing haul playlist, whatever playlist of your dreams, whatever you desire, you do it. You do it, girl. Ooh, my hair is a hot mess. So that is all for today's tutorial. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you really haven't, then you are one bastard. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you can get notified every time that I upload. And I'll see ya in a couple days.